goodness, what a wonderful surprise. My favorite cookies.
Yep.
Oh, and they're still warm.
A salted chocolate chip cookie.
And the saltiness really brings out the sweetness. Did you know that today we learned all about salt?
Wow, you did?
Yeah, we went to the Mara salt ponds in Peru, and we made miso in Japan.
Wow.
With a really cool family. But most importantly, we learned that a little bit of salt can go a long way. It's called moderation.
Moderation. That's sort of like saying too much of anything can be too much.
Yes.
You get that, Busy?
Just a dabble, do ya?
So I think it is time for your salt badges. Yeah, for all the learning and expertise you've developed around salt. I am so proud of you guys.